friends, welcome back to my channel Bar Family Diaries. So all this is because this is going to be a preparation vlog. So a pre-preparation vlog for my little one's birthday. So his birthday is coming up on Saturday. So we're getting ready and making all the decorations. So keep joining us and see how the little one also helps me in achieving the decoration. So this is a jungle themed birthday which we have planned this year for him. All these items I got it from Amazon. So all are actually very nice. If you want to purchase this, I'll give the link. Keep seeing through the video to know how the decoration has come out, and please let us know in the comments about the decorations.
So firstly I started blowing up the balloons which came along with the decoration pack, with the jungle themed pack which was booked on Amazon. So I started blowing those balloons with a hand pump. The hand pump I got it in a store nearby. I got it in Poundland. So just to make it a little fun and enjoy what we were doing, I kept doing some dance poses and also imitating my son who was doing the same thing. Then we had a small chit chat session and I was telling him, asking him how excited he is about his birthday, and then showing him few moves of dancing if he wants to do. So my husband is capturing the video and we just blowing the balloons. I finished tying the happy birthday banner and left it that side. So these balloons I've kept blowing them each in different sizes to achieve the arch for the decoration. And so you will see how the decoration goes on. So what the little one has in his hand is a cake popper. He is very excited to see all those animals there. So he kept on showing us what it is, and when we asked him where to place it, he said we'll place it on the cake. And then he was also enjoying this jungle party preparation. There were lots of balloons to blow and my hand was literally paining. So the next half my husband took over to blow it. So this railway track which you can see was his birthday gift. We got him a Thomas train birthday set because he likes trains these days. But he couldn't wait till his birthday and he unpacked the entire box and started playing with it. So this is how the decoration looked like after some time. I am not a pro in decoration, so it was just only 3 of us since this is his quarantine pandemic birthday. However, we could do the decoration, and to keep the little one happy, we did that small part of decoration. So the remaining balloons we had left it down in case any of the balloon pops up before his birthday. We thought of replacing it and left the remaining balloons down. Hope you guys liked this decoration. So let us know. So this was the next day. Next day morning, we started our day by offering our prayers to the God, because he is the one who takes care of us and does everything for us. So we've prayed for the little one's good health, happiness, and we've prayed that he becomes a good human. So I made him do the offering by himself. After that, he was more excited in eating the sweets there, more than the puja and the offering. He wanted the sweet, so he kept on telling Amma sweet, Amma sweet. So I asked him to pray first and then I'll give you the sweet. Later, his dad took him over and asked him to pray, and then we gave him a sweet. So you can see that happy face of his enjoying his sweet. So this was his birthday start before we cut the cake. So after the offering, we moved on to the hall and then I got the cake. Actually, we had planned a jungle themed cake to get it for him, but since we were only 3 of us, we thought a simple cake would do this time, and next time we would have a grand cake and a grand birthday for him. So luckily the decoration stayed till the next morning. We were a little happy. So whatever balloons were left down, we stuck it on the ceiling and completed the decoration in such a way. So later I was trying to get a pose of the little one to just take a snap of him, but he never allowed me to take a picture. So that was a little bad thing. I asked him to stand there 100 times, but he kept on moving towards the camera and didn't stand there for the photo. So yeah, that is that thing. It's difficult for me to get a photo of his. Later, we had a virtual birthday this time. So this pandemic and this coronavirus has been there since long, and everyone is upset and sad. So one good thing what happened in this pandemic birthday of my little one was my entire family connected with us virtually. So I was super happy and I was literally on cloud nine because the little one got everybody's blessings. My family connected to us through WhatsApp call. So both my families were there and we cut the cake in their presence. So blessings from all over the seas and from everybody he's got this year. So that is one good thing about the pandemic and one good thing about technology. It connects people from wherever we are. So this was just a talking session happening. So we'll start his birthday. So everybody got assembled in their places and then later we started cutting the cake. Finally, the little one himself placed the cake poppers on top of his cake and then now we are starting to celebrate his happy birthday. So his grandparents, his aunt, uncle, Chikkamma, everybody are singing happy birthday from the other side. And now we both are cutting the cake. So very, very happy birthday to my little cute, wild, naughty son. He's enjoying his birthday, but he's more excited to eat the cake. So the birthday cake is cut and we're gonna give the little one his big piece. Happy birthday, Kutipaya. That is how I call him. I call him a Kutipaya. So happy birthday, Kutipaya. Both of us fed him cake and now we're asking him if he wants to feed everybody virtually and he's like, yes, mama, I want to feed them. So after feeding us, he's telling, let's feed them. So that is the conversation happening between us. I'm asking him, can we give it to everybody? He's like, okay, come, let's give. But cut the other piece of the cake and then give him. This is mandatory, guys. I am a person who applies cake on everybody's faces for their birthday. So I feel birthday is incomplete without applying cake. So the same ritual I followed for my little one, but he kept on cribbing, no mama, don't apply. But yeah, I wanted to complete his birthday with a cream facial on his face. So this is what I did. After the birthday, we started speaking to everyone on the virtual call. So everybody was wishing him a happy birthday and we were showing what naughtiness he does because everybody tells he's a very quiet kid, very silent child and all that, but he is a very naughty and a wild one. So we were showing them what naughtiness he does and then we disconnected them on the call and started playing with the little one, seeing what he does and trying to click few more photos of him because from morning I've not got to click one photo of his. But he is always obsessed with the cake. So he had another big piece of cake and he was asking me to cut the cake and give it to him. So we are doing that now. So in between all this, there was this little one's demand for his lunch and dinner, what he was. So the lunch what I prepared for him was chicken biryani, chicken gravy, egg fry. So chicken is his favorite non-vegetarian food. So I prepared chicken biryani, chicken curry and egg fry for him with a little rasam rice as well. Now we thought of playing with the little one. So I was lifting him up and trying to hit all the balloons with his head. So he liked his birthday. He sort of enjoyed the birthday and we also enjoyed this birthday. It was a quiet, silent and a nice, pleasant birthday this year. So hopefully next year I get to celebrate with my family back in India. This is how his birthday went. So this was a small birthday, guys. Hope you all liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more new videos. And if you like this video, please do mention in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you all in another video. Bye bye.